What is meaning embryology? Students, study of events lead to fertilization, cleavage, early growth, development of zygote into an embryo. Student, in this events, okay, order like events lead to fertilization between two gametes in sexual reproduction in the animals, okay, in the plants, in the organisms. Female gamete, male gamete are fused with each other and forms the zygote. Okay, zygote is goes to the cleavage. Student, zygote is the single cell that is goes to the division. Cell division occurs in the early embryo, that is called cleavage, and early growth. Student, first growth, initial growth, okay, after the fertilization zygote goes to the development growth, that is early growth, and development of zygote into embryo, and after some time, that is the zygote goes to the development of embryo. These are all the process one by one, that is these are the events. Study about these events called embryology, and it is also deals with formation and development of embryo. Embryo means initial development of the organism, that is called embryo. Next, developmental biology. What is about the developmental biology? It is study of embryonic development and other process after birth. Student, study about the embryonic development, okay, development of the embryo, okay students, and other processes after the birth. Okay, some amount of the development growth also shows by the organism after the birth. Okay, it is completely prenatal development. Embryology deals with prenatal development before the birth. Okay, development after the birth, that is the process by the organism, is called developmental biology. Okay student, some amount of the development growth is also shows by the organism after the birth, that is called developmental biology. Students, evolution, study of origin of life. Life means organism, living thing. What about the study of origin of life? When living things are generated on the earth, and continuous genetic adaptation of organism. Okay, genetic adaptation of organism to the environment. Some amount of the changes, some amount of the variations processed by the living things. Animals shows different characters which are not available in the parents. These are the new character, new variations developed in the individuals, organisms to the environment. Study about this called evolution. Okay, gradual changes occurs in living organism through geological time. Student, what is the meaning of geological time? Classification of the dating to understand about the events on the earth. To understand events on the earth, entire the dating is classified by the scientist, that is called geological time. Okay, gradual changes occurs in the living organisms throughout the geological time scale. Okay, this is about study of the gradual changes occurs in the living organisms, also called evolution, also a part in the evolution. Herbert Spencer coined the term organic evolution. Organic evolution equal to the evolution. Organic evolution, it deals with the organisms. Organic evolution, it is the term coined by Herbert Spencer. Students, paleontology. What is the meaning of paleontology? Study of fossilized remains of organisms that lives in past geological time. Fossil, what is the meaning of fossil? Organism that is available in the form of the cast impressions or molds. Death organism available in the soil, the part of the organism available in the soil when it is excavated in form of any one of the part of organism. Death organism in form of the cast or molds or impressions. That is, the organism lives in past geological time. Okay, that is about the study of fossils called paleontology. Paleobotany, fossils of plants. Paleozoology, fossils of animals. Okay, study about the fossils of plants, paleobotany. Study about the fossils of animals, paleozoology. Ecology, next student, it is the next branch of zoology. Ecology, study of living organisms, okay, in relation to other living organisms. Okay, other living organisms. Study of the living organisms, relationship between study of living organisms with other living organisms. Other living organisms, in this time, living organisms are considered as biotic factors. Student, microorganisms, so plants also includes in it biotic factor. Biotic factors, that means living organisms. Living organisms related with the another living organisms. Okay, and also related with the abiotic factors. Abiotic factors are temperature, water, light, like that. Abiotic factors. Okay, study of living organisms in relation to other living organisms. Okay, or study of the living organisms in relation to biotic factors and abiotic factors. Okay, Ernest Haeckel coined the term ecology. Ecology, the term coined by Ernest Haeckel. Next, genetics. What is about the genetics? What is the definition? Study about the inheritance of characters from one generation to next. Student, if you observe, parents produce offsprings. These are the offsprings are similar to the parents. Which are the characters shows by the parents, and same characters are entered also received by the offsprings, next generated individuals. Okay, in this way, genetic substance or the DNA or nucleotide molecules are received by offsprings from the parent individuals, because same type of the characters are shown by the offsprings that are equally present in the parents. Okay, study about these inheritance of the characters from the parents to the next generation. And also it is study about the heredity and variations. And heredity means same character, transmitting of the characters from the parents to the offsprings, that is called heredity. Variations, small changes that are also available, new characters also available in the offsprings. At the timing of transmitting characters, inheritance of the characters from the parents to the F1 generation, next generation, parents to the offsprings. These are variations. Any one of the new character available in the offsprings, that is called variation, new character. Study about the heredity and variations in living organisms. Okay, and study about the inheritance of characters from parents to the next generation is called genetics. And genetics is the term coined by Bateson. Genetics is the term coined by Bateson.